was once asked, what is it that will help me always remember that I'm living a spiritual life? That was the question put to her, and she answered, the awareness of the divine presence in all things and always. So if we can maintain an awareness of the divine presence in all things and always, according to Mother, that's the parameter of leading a spiritual life. And what does it mean to maintain an awareness of the divine presence in all things? Firstly, what is the divine presence in all things? So there's one way of living, the way we live most of our lives, seeing things through our senses, perceiving things, forming our judgments about it, and living life based on that narrative. And there's another way of living when we see beyond appearances, when we somewhere sense that this world is not what it appears to be, that behind everything there is a presence, there is an intelligence, that everything in our life is somewhere controlled by that higher intelligence. When we somewhere forget about that, when we forget about that higher intelligence, then you can sit here if you need a backrest, or there, wherever you like. So when we forget about that higher intelligence, we tend to live life with a lot of fear, with a lot of anxiety, because we feel alone, we feel cut off from the whole, we feel if there's a problem, I have to solve it myself because I'm alone, I have to survive it myself. But when we are living from that other dimension where we somehow know that there is an intelligence, a higher intelligence which is controlling everything, which is everything, which is the inner controller, the Antaryami, which is making everything happen, it gives a lightness to the tread with which we walk life.